Guys, here we are at Target. Let's check out what they have in bags and accessories. Let's see what's new, guys. Look at this. So Sugar Fix has this set right here. Isn't it gorgeous? For $20. I'm loving it. This is $16.99 for this necklace, guys. Look at it. It's not beautiful. Then they have this one. And then they have these headband sets, head accessories. This one here is $9.99, and then this one here is $7.99. Okay, let's go around. So now here are the earrings, guys. These earrings are $12.99. Okay, so look at these white ones in the back. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Then they have these. These reminds me of sprinkles, guys. Then they have this kind, and they have it in black. See it back there? So then they have this set right here, and here it is in pink. And those guys are $12.99. Look at that. And then they have this kind back here. See that? Those are really pretty. And look at the green. So they have that style and that style. These are really pretty, guys. And then they have these pink ones. So if I turn this around, let's see what they have on this side, guys. So this is what they have. So they have this set, $12.99. They have this set. And then they have that set back there. Isn't that pretty? So these are different. See? Then they have this set and these. Very pretty, guys. So look at these. I'm really liking these. They're so much fun. Look at this. That's $12.99, and then they have this set and the one in the back, $12.99. And then look at these and those. I'm loving these. These are so pretty, guys. That's $14.99 for that one. Let's turn this around. So they have this set right here. Isn't that fun, guys? $14.99. Then they have this set here in the red, and they have the black right behind it. That's $12.99. Then they have this set here for $14.99 and this one for $12.99. Then look at these. Oh, guys, they're so cute. $12.99, and then here they go, those fun ones in white. Here's the black and white. I'm loving the black and white. And then here they are in pink, yellow, and like that purpley color. And then look at this. I love that. And then here are the drop earrings, guys. I love drop earrings. This one has the druzy on the top. These are $14.99, and these guys here are $12.99. Look at this color. Aren't these beautiful to go out? Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Let me see if I can turn this around. So then they have these, $12.99, and they also have them in this style, guys. And then these have the brass top. See them? Or the gold top. And these are really pretty, guys. I'm loving those. So if you come over here, look at these hoops, guys, and they look pearl. And then look at this. Those are $12.99. Then they have these for $12.99 and these for $12.99. Very pretty, guys. Then look at these, $12.99, guys. So look, these are all druzies, guys. Well, faux druzy. That's $12.99. And look at these. Very pretty, guys. And look. Don't they have some awesome accessories, guys? I got to start matching my stuff, guys, and dressing better. This stuff is so reasonable. Some of these things are on clearance. So this one's from $12.99 is $9.08. And then this one, too. Then these are not on clearance, but these guys are $12.99. And then this is a ring, guys. Look how pretty that is. That is $9.99, and here it is in these colors. So these are nice, and look at them in red, in white, and in pink. They feel like paper. They are paper. Guys, those are made of paper. I just felt that. Okay, so these are really nice. These are pretty too. These are all $12.99. And look at this hat right here, guys. Look at that. That hat is $22.99. This one here might be new. I don't think I've seen this. And this has the backpack straps and the handle. So this, who makes this? This is A New Day makes this. And that is $24.99 for that one. And then if you look at this one is $19.99, guys. Let's see. And then they have this kind here, and the material is like that rain type of tote type of material, $19.99. Then they have that one for $29.99. So here it is in the olive green, and I'm pretty sure that is, here it is, the same bag for $39.99. Okay, so let's go over here. So then you have this purse here. I don't see the tags. So this one here, guys, is $24.99, and then they have this eye case. I didn't even know they had eye cases here, guys. And look at this style. Look at the style of this eye case. So this, guys, is $12.99. Look at the style of that eye case. Isn't that pretty? That's different. Then here's an eye case too. These are $12.99. Okay, so this bag right here is $17.99 in that pink. So if we come over here, guys, I'm loving these bags, hand woven bags. Okay, these are $12.99 in that soft, it's brown, and that color right there. Okay, and then you have this bag here. This is cute, $19.99, and it comes in this color. And they have this one here for you. It's universal threads. It's on the small side. It's a crossbody bag for $19.99. Then look at this one, guys. So this one is the universal threads for $36.99. I think we've seen this somewhere. I'm not sure. I think it was TJ Maxx. So then they have this bag over here with the tassel. Universal threads, guys, $36.99 for that bag. And then look at that one. This one here. So this one is $29.99, guys, for that bag right there. Is that not beautiful? Look at that one. That's universal threads for $29.99, guys. Look at that bag. And then look at the hat, the sun hat. $12.99. Isn't that beautiful? And then this one here is $12.99 also, guys. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these things that I'm showing you guys are new. $36.99. Look at that bag. It looks like a basket. And then these, I'm loving these bags. This hand clutch here with the tassel, I'm loving that one, that color. $19.99, and then this one right here is $32.99, and I think that's universal threads, guys. So look at these over here, guys. I want to show you this. This is $15. Look at that tassel. Is that not gorgeous? So that, I think, is universal threads, guys. So that's $15, and then look at this one. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? So that one is $19.99. I'm loving that material, and it's huge. Look at the size of this. Definitely a traveling bag. $29.99. Universal Threads makes that one. And then they have this case right here. This is very big too. Looks like a travel case, guys, like a big huge tote with a zipper. That one is $49.99. As you know, I'm loving these bags, right? So this one here is $27.99. Okay, that is universal threads. So they have the backpack with the handle on top, and this has the handles. See, that's what they look like. So they look like totes. And here they are. That's the bigger tote out of all of them. And this one is $39.99. So if you go to this one here with the handles, that's $29.99 for that one. Okay, and you know I'm loving those, and I like this too. This matches that clutch I just showed you with the pom-pom. That's $39.99, guys. What I'm loving is that it's like hand done. And then here's a little backpack in this color and in the black. And that is $27.99, guys. And then here's the square backpack. Has a square shape to it. And this is $32.99, guys. And who makes this? This is a Universal Threads in black, and here's that leopard print. So anyway, that bag right there, this one here, guys, it's round with the handles, and that's $36.99. But look at that one. Look at that one back there. Oh my goodness, that's $39.99 for that with the handles. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And this one here, these are the same. Look at this one in the olive green. Universal Threads, $29.99 for that one. And then look at that one. That's By a New Day. And that one, guys, is $39.99. And here it is, $39.99. So, and then look at this bag over here. This bag right here is $36.99. So this one, let me see how much the hats are. Those are $19.99 for these hats. These sun hats. $19.99 for that one. And then this one here is more of a wool type of a hat. That one doesn't have a tag, and neither does that one. Aren't they pretty though? This one is $22.99. This is too hot to wear out in the sun, but these are sun hats. Universal Threads, $19.99. And then this one, I think all the hats are $19.99. Let me make sure. Okay, I'm not sure. These don't have a price. This one here, no, this one is $22.99, and that's in the darker color. And this is $22.99. And this one and this hat right here is $22.99. And look at this one. It's not pretty. I'm liking those hats. So guys, look at this green one. Oh my God, look at this green one. This is like Universal Threads, $19.99. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Target just to check out some of their bags and their accessories, and I will see you guys in the next video.